Hey, what's up guys? We've got another instruction video for you today. This will be for the 2.0 E-Revo Wheelie Bar. Alright, so let's keep going. So let's first just remove that body. Don't need that. Flip the car over. Let's make sure you can see everything here. Okay, so I've done a little assembling first, and that is just with two M4x12 flathead sockets to mount the wheelie bar, and two M4x10 sockets and lock nuts to mount the brace to the bar. Okay, the first thing we'll want to do is to remove these two back screws here, assuming you can see it. And I already have these loosened up, so we're just going to pop those out. And then we're going to mount our two blocks. This block goes in first, just like that. This block follows it with that, it just lines up straight with the second block, or rather the first block. Okay, like that. And then you'll use the supplied M3 by 30, which rolled right off my hand. M330 flathead sockets. Okay, so we're just going to place these straight through both blocks. As a side note, you will notice two extra holes here. That is in case you want to run a sway bar kit with our wheelie bar as well. So that just lines up there, and you can mount that straight to our block. Okay, so these two blocks just mount right up here. Make sure that you get your rods lined up as well. There we go. And then we'll just tighten those up. Okay, the next step will be to remove these four screws right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, I had these loosened up already, just to make it a little bit quicker. And then I believe I have those undone as well. Okay. Okay, next we'll want to install the aluminum standoffs into these two holes here. Now this wheelie bar is also completely compatible with our full chassis skid as well, and they use the same standoffs. Okay, that's there. The next we will have two aluminum spacers. See here? And those will go into these M3 slots up here. Okay, now we will mount the wheelie bar unit. Just make sure that the brace goes up and over the blocks there, which is pretty easy. Okay, that will just rest there. And you will install the whole unit using M4x12 up here in the rear there, and M4x10s in the front. Oops, that's the same one. Get those started, and then we have M3x20 flatheads, which will go into these ones here. Be right back. I misplaced some screws. Okay, and we got our M4 10s towards the middle here. Oops. Alright, so with all of these nearly tightened down, there's just one more step to go. And that is to mount the brace to the blocks. Okay, and that's just one screw right there, and one screw right there. And for these, I believe we are using M310 or M312 button heads. It just bolts right onto the block there. I have a new shooting setup here, so I haven't quite got the camera angles fully adjusted, so I apologize if you can't see everything very well. Alright, got that second one fastened down. And there you have it. That is how you mount the T-Bone Racing Wheelie Bar for the 2.0 E-Revo. Thanks for watching.